Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, let me move on to the topic for the bottom-up parsing. So the bottom-up parsing we get for now how to find out in for handles. See, we gave that what is mean by handle pruning. So let me go for the handle pruning. What do you mean by handle and handle pruning? See that whatever the question is, what is handle and handle pruning? See, now we have to write the definition for what is handle. See, during bottom-up parsing, a left to right scan of the input to construct the rightmost derivation in reverse order. See, that is called as a handle, or informally a handle is a substring. Can you take down? A handle is a substring that matches the body of the production. See, the body of the production and whose reduction represent one step along the reverse of a rightmost derivation. A handle is a substring. It's in any substring in the given input. A handle is a substring that matches the body of the production, that is the right hand side, and whose reduction represent one step along the reverse of a RMD. Along the reverse of a RMD. It is called handle. It is called handle. And what is handle pruning? The next question is what is handle pruning? Okay, next you can take handle pruning. A RMD, that is rightmost derivation in reverse. A rightmost derivation in reverse called canonical reduction sequence. It is also called canonical reduction. Canonical reduction sequence is obtained by the process is called handle pruning. See what you are doing, each step are replacing by head of the production till you are to reach start symbol. The whole process is called as a handle pruning. Handle is a substring that matches the body of the production and whose reduction represent one step along the reverse of RMD. What is handle pruning? A RMD in a reverse called canonical reduction sequence is obtained by the process of handle pruning. Okay, we have to go how to do the handle, then how to find out it for the handle. You will get a question, the find the handle. See, later I will come to part shift reduce parsing. Just I will show how to find out the handle, or in the exam you will get write the handle pruning process for the given input ID plus ID star ID. For these you have to write, for these grammar you have to do it in this how to find the handle and what we called as an handle pruning process for the given grammar. See, the grammar is E derives E plus TRT, T derives T star FRF, F derives open para. This is ID. I have to do my finding for the handle for ID star ID. See, 1 and 2 I given. It is not a matter for 1 and 2. For distinguishing, for I gave a number. Okay, you have to write 3 columns. Can you take those? The 3 columns are there. These 3 columns. The first column is called right sentential form. RIGHT. Right sentential form. Second column is called handle because we have to find out the handle. This process is called handle pruning. And which reduction we are applying? Reducing production or output production. Reducing production. Okay, this type of problem carries 2 marks. Okay, this is problem for handle pruning. I am doing finding for the handle and also I am finding for the handle pruning process I am showing now. Okay, let me go for the start for the input. The first input is reducing production or production. The inputs are you are getting for the right sentence. You have to write ID star ID. You have to write down here ID star ID for the whatever the given input you are taking. Now you have to find the handle. At the end you have to reach your start production. You should be reach here E. See, if I'm like that, you have to do the process. Okay, you have to start from left to right. You will get the first one is ID. Okay, this is my first one. See, do you have a production for ID? Do you have a production for ID? Check your grammar. Is there? See, this is my ID. A handle is ID because this is a substring. Handle is a substring that matches and reducing that substring by body of the production by head of the production as per the definition. Okay, now ID is my handle. That position, if you want, you can mention the position also. The position is the first position. ID, position. Which one is reducing action? I can reduce by ID by F. Then ID can be replacing with F. Then the next right sentential form. The next right sentential form is a F star ID. Okay. Can you tell me anyone which is the next handle? Which is the next handle? See, now I can replace F. F can be replacing by the production as a T. This is my next handle. See, I can take F. It is replacing. 2, I want to reach the start production. You can choose any of that. It will be get properly to reach your start production. F. What is the position of that? That position is also 1. Then how to replace in the production? T derives F. F can be replacing with T. Now I got T star ID. Okay, now tell me which one is the handle. So you can check. T is there, star is there. I required F because to reduce it. Then now I have to take for the next handle should be you have to start left to right only. You have to take the next handle. The handle should be not in inside. You should be always top. T star ID. Now the next handle is ID. The position of that handle should be 3. This is 1, this is 2, and this is the third position. ID, comma, position is 3. Then what I am writing? F derives ID. ID can be replacing with F. Now you can write T star F. Okay, now I have a T star F. You can check your productions. T star F in the body of the production. Do you have any of the head of the production? Yes. T star F can be replacing by T. Then you can consider whole thing as a handle. The handle is, don't confuse, the handle is only substring. What I am replacing with your head of the production, that is called as a handle. Okay, now the handle is T star F. The whole thing is now it is called as a one position. See, now it is called as a position 1. See, it is for whole thing can I say T star F is a 1, position should be 1. Now I am replacing production is T derived T star F. See, now all the 3 will be replacing with T. Now I got T. Okay, still you are not at the end of the reach. You can take T can be replacing by E. Now the next handle is what? T. The T is my handle. That handle position should be 1. I am replacing with E derives T. So T can be replacing with E. Now you reach start symbol. This is your start symbol. Okay, this is called as a handle pruning process. You start from your input, start from the input. Each time I am finding for the handle. For both handle I am replacing by the production. Body of the production is replacing by head of the production. And finally I am reaching my start symbol. And this process is called handle pruning process. This process is called handle pruning process. Clear? Copying is over. Shall I go for the next one?
1 minute, please.
Yeah, copy done. Don't worry. Copy done. Once you're done, please inform me. This is got 2 marks. Very important. This bottom up parsing. This is the common question in the bottom up parsing. If you don't get any LR parser, then definitely you will get these things. The position is optional. If you want, you can write it. Otherwise, just mention handle also. It is enough to mention the handle. The position is not important. If possible, you can mention the position also. Okay. Can I go for the next? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, second problem. Just you have to find out the handle and also write the handle pruning process for the grammar. E derives E plus E or E star E, open parenthesis E, ID for input, ID plus ID star ID. For this grammar, you have to show what is the handle and what is the handle pruning process. Then you have to write the 3 columns. The 3 column, first column is right sentential forms. The right sentential form is the whatever I am replacing, that part it's contained. This is the substring of your input. Right sentential form. Right sentential form. The second one is your handle. Third one is your production. Which production I am applying to replace. Okay. Initially, you have to write your normal input is your right sentential form. Okay. You have to start from left to right. Don't go inside it. Always you should be go top of the only. Don't take this ID. See, it is not come here. You have to start from left to right only. What is the first one you got? You have to start from left to right only. First, you have to replacing the first one only. That ID. See, the first one is an ID. The position is that is 1. What can I replacing production?
E derives ID.
Very good. E derives an ID. Then how to write? The next right sentence is the intermediate step. Right sentence in form is the intermediate step. Sorry. This is your plus. Plus ID star ID. Okay, what is the next ID? So next handle. Next handle. What is the position of that handle?
Three.
I can't take this, I can't take this, I can do this one. Then I can take this ID. What is the position? Position is 3. What is the production? E derives ID. Okay, then how to write? E plus ID will be replacing E star ID. Okay, tell me anyone. What is the next handle? You have to start from left to right only. If not able to get it from the left to right, you can go the next symbol. So you have to check E plus E. Is there any handle for E plus E? Can I take E
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
E as handle? Yes. Can I take E plus E as handle? What is the handle now? E plus E. The whole thing is the first one. This is the first position. This is the second position. This is the third position. Now E plus E, the whole thing can handle.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we finish ID and go back to E plus E?
No. If it is not able to find out for E plus E, then only should be go to ID. So you have this, if it don't go inside your stack, it is always, it is also maintained stack only. See, all those performance will be done in the stack. Whenever get you have to pushing into stack E plus C, the E plus C will be replacing, but E, then only can do it. The next I will come back to that one. See, always if it's not able to have any production for E plus C, then only you can visit for the next term. See, we have a production for E plus C, you can replace it there itself. Okay, if it is take that one, you will not get exactly with the reverse order of your RMD. So, if you properly choose the production, then only your process, it will look like for reverse of your RMD, is the rightmost derivation process. Okay, for that you have to choose E plus E only. Now that can be replacing with E derives E plus E. See what happened now? All the three will be replacing with E. Now have a star. Now have a ID. What is the next handle?
ID position 2, ma'am.
Position 2 na 3 na? E 1
3, ma'am.
Idu
3.
1, idu 2, idu 3. Whole thing will be taken as a 3. ID, comma. Position confuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Position is 3. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you don't write. See, whatever you take whole thing, that is a position. The first position. Plus 3. What is that value? E derives
ID.
ID. Okay, now. Next, E star E. Okay, what is the next one?
There is a production for that. E star E position, ma'am.
Whole thing can I take an handle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, E star is an handle. I can call position as a 1. This whole thing I am considering as a one thing, one substrate. Okay, for that I am replacing E derives E star E. Okay, now what will be right can I now?
E.
E. See, what is our start symbol? E. You reach the E production? Yes, this is your end of your 2 marks. Very simple problem compared to all over system software and compiler design. This is only the easiest question. Whole syllabus. Okay, I have to find a right sentential form to find out the handle is this E star E is equal to E. Any doubt? Any doubt? After completion of writing, tell me. I will do one more problem, then I will come back to next time. Because simultaneously we can do all the 3 steps. You have to do handle pruning, you have to do shift reduce parsing, and you have to construct a bottom up parse tree also. These 3 the steps. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you move?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you go for the third problem? E dash derives E. E derives E plus N or N. See, in your textbook only one problem. These are all your reference textbook problem. See, now the input is N plus N. W is your says for input. You have to parse N plus 1. The starting symbol is E dash. The starting symbol is E dash. Find the handle. Pawan Kulkarni is there. Raj Kamal is there. Pooja. Jai.
Ma'am, that is N, ma'am. N plus N.
N plus N, step input. n plus n. Ili e plus n, ili n. Input is n plus 1. Input can be represented as a w. Okay. Now my input is n plus n. Okay. Now tell me who will be. I am calling so many. Intas, Arshak, Kruti. ಎಲ್ಕ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಾವ್ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನೇ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಪರ್ವೇಸ್, ಪಶುಪತಿ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Parvez is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Parvez, can you tell me what is the handle for this?
N.
Can I take n? First n or the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
n?
Second N.
Huh? What is
Second
the
one.
position? What is the position of that?
Position 1, ma'am.
Second n antira. You're telling for the second n. There is the
Yes,
first
ma'am,
n,
second.
right? Huh?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
which side? From which side is second? From left to right. See, I'm doing right. This arrow mark I'm writing.
Oh, no, no, no. Actually, I was thinking that. Yes, ma'am. First N.
Shall I take this n or from the right hand side n? Shall I take it?
This
Correct,
one,
huh?
first one.
This
Left
one
to right
only.
one first.
Yeah, can I write position 1 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the production?
E determines N.
Okay. Okay. Next step, can you tell me?
Ma'am, E plus N.
Okay.
And handle will be E plus N.
Very good. The whole thing, can I take a handle? You can see the grammar. E plus n. Can I write position is 1?
Yes,
Whole
ma'am.
thing is an handle, right? Then how can
Yes.
we write production?
E
right?
plus N determines E plus N.
What is the next line?
Ma'am, E.
Okay. What is the handle? Are you reaching your start production?
No, ma'am.
No. Then what is the handle now?
E.
E. Okay. What is the position?
1.
Position is 1. What is in production?
E determines E dash.
Then you are reaching for E dash. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me go for the next. Shall I move next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will check in the chat box. This is somewhat tricky question. Let how many will be solved? Input is open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Anybody have a doubt? where you are posting individual or group message. Thinking? Okay. $85?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Very good. Any other? One more minute I will wait. Okay, those who are done can now take on the next problem. This is fifth one, right? Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who are done, you can go back this. Same order you have to keep it at, because we have some other same another technique should be there for all the problems. Keep that, I will tell you the problem. S derives A, C, B, E, A derives A, B, A, and B derives D. The inputs are A, B, B, C, D, E. Copied on for fifth. Find the handle for this. Sixth, S derives.
Ma'am, show once, ma'am.
One
Once.
minute. I will come back there. Don't worry. W is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Write neatly. Why previous problem nobody updated except 85? Others still have a doubt? Okay, I will solve this problem. Still have a doubt for this question. You have to write 3 columns. Write sentential form, handle, and have a production. Okay. Okay, let me take what is the input is given? Open parenthesis and close parenthesis. See now what is our handle? What is our handle now? Nivedita?
Yes, ma'am.
Handle ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? What is the handle now?
Epsilon.
Epsilon. ಯಾವ position is epsilon now? Can I take this position epsilon now?
Yes, ma'am.
First and second position. This is the handle is epsilon because epsilon is there. Epsilon can be replacing by yes. The position is what? 2. What is the production? Yes, there is epsilon. What happens now? Yes. Okay, Nivedita, what is the next handle? What is the next handle? Can I take next handle this position?
Full, ma'am.
What is there here? Epsilon is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4 position. Now I can take position is 4. What I get? Yes, there is epsilon. What the next line? Can I write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the handle now?
Whole.
Whole thing can I take handle? Because I have a production for those. Correct? Now I can write position is
1.
1. How to write now? Okay. What is the answer now? Yes.
Yes.
Now what is the handle?
Yes.
Handle is yes. Position is
1.
1. What is the production?
S dash T dash S.
Can we reach S dash now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is end. See, if it is epsilon, don't panic. You should be get epsilon is also have a production that can be replacing with yes. See, always you have to twist question paper. You will get these type of questions. Okay. Can you copy down those who are not done? Can you copy down for this? And let me move on to the next one, 5th one. I will check your chat box now. How many of did 5th one? Okay, 405 previous problem is correct. 119. 119. So 115 or 119.
Yes, ma'am. 119.
Now box is very important.
Okay.
Yeah. You should be maintain what I am maintaining that structure.
Okay.
Position is 2, A, B, position is 2, D, position. Okay, the answer is correct, but it should be maintained. Okay, next 74. is also correct. 194. Okay, 194 is also correct. What others doing? Only the same USA number you're getting answers. I will ask for the next random question. See, once you did, you have to do this one. Those who are completed, you go back to 6th problem. 6th one. S theorize 0 S1 or 0 1. For the input, W is equal to 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, this problem, 2 inputs are there. You have to write two different table for those things. I'll have to take down the question. I will move back to the previous slide to write the answer for those. 0, 0, yes, 1, 1. Do it sixth problem with two different inputs. Ullas, Ullas, Ullas idira. Arshak Reddy.
Ma'am, can you show the previous problem, ma'am?
Yeah, I will show it.
Question, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one,
Yes, ma'am.
Arshak Reddy.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Yes.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
completed previous one.
Okay, previous problem I need an answer. Fifth one.
Yeah,
Okay.
6th one I'll do now. 5th one I'll do.
Okay, which one you tell me? I will write it box. Tell me.
Ma'am, 5th one I am about to complete. 6th one I'll start up.
No, if fifth one you completed?
5th one
Fifth one.
I am about to complete.
You tell me here only because my time is also waste otherwise. Fifth one is this one.
Yes, ma'am. First right
1 minute,
right
1 minute,
cycle.
1 minute, 1 minute. I will make a table. Okay, tell me. What to write first one? A, B, B, C, D, E. What is the handle now?
B.
Which B? Third position B or second position B?
Second position, ma'am.
Second position B. Okay, this is B. Position is 2. Okay, what is the production?
A.
A divided B. Correct? Ah? See, what is
Yes, ma'am.
right sentential form? Next line.
A, again capital A, then B, C, D, E.
What is the next standard?
A, B, position 2.
Position 2. Very good. A, B, position 2. Okay, now. Next. Production.
derives A.
Very good. Next. A, capital
Capital
A,
A,
C,
C, D.
D, E. Next.
D, position 4, handle.
E is position. Position is 4. What is the production?
B derives AD.
Huh? B derives D tane. A, C, capital B, E. What about next?
Again D here, position 4, B derives D.
That is over. I written now. D I am written, position 4 is over.
Now here we will take A, position 1, whole this thing.
A, C, B, E, position 1. Then what to write?
S
S
derives
A, B, E.
D.
Then that is yes.
S is the.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What about others? Hmm, 119, okay. 119, there are 2 inputs are there. Do it.
Ma'am, I've uploaded later. Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. 99, Nikhil correct. 0 S1, 0, 1. 75.
Yes, ma'am.
75. First step alle 0, 1, how we get it? Position 3 now. Okay, okay. 0, 0.
Third one, ma'am.
Yeah. 0, 1 is yes. Okay, 2, 0 is 1, 2. Okay, correct. What about another problem? One more.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. 74 is also done. 114 is also done. 400. That symbol. Okay, 400 is also correct. 79 is correct. 93. Underline is very, very important in the right hand side. You have to write there also. It will get better look in the right hand side. Okay, 93, you have to make that also. Now onwards. 96 is done, very good. Representation also correct. Okay, 405. Okay, some people done it. Okay, good. 194 is also correct. Let me go for the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Six is over. Shall I go for the seventh one? Shall I go for seventh?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are done, now you can go for the seventh problem. Okay. Seventh. SD rise SS plus SS star RA. See, we have three inputs for this. Okay, quickly do it. First input is SS plus A star plus. Second input SS plus A star A plus. Third input A star A plus plus. Okay, this is your seventh. Three inputs you had to do it. Okay, that means it's look three problems. It's an homework for tomorrow class. 8. SD rise A or all of you copied on the problem first. I am not sharing anyway. Take down in the problem in your rough book. You had to do it for the tomorrow class. So now we have to do it. What name I am telling you? Those people you have to show your booklet in your answers in the chat box. These problems. Nishchay 192. See, I will take an attendance there. May I will call you. Do it. I am waiting in the answer in the chat box. Still 5 more minutes are there. Can do it 7A, B, C.